Hi. This is Home's Guide. Welcome, gaming enthusiasts. Today, I'm thrilled to unveil the world's top 5 best gaming mini PCs. Whether you're a hardcore gamer or a casual player, these compact powerhouses are sure to elevate your gaming experience to new heights. From stunning graphics to lightning-fast processing, each mini PC on our list promises unrivaled performance. So, without further ado, let's dive into the realm of gaming excellence. Stay tuned and don't forget to check the link in the description below for more details. Let's get started. Number 1. AMD Dual LAN Mini Gaming PC, the epitome of power in a compact design. Featuring the AMD Ryzen 7 5800U processor, this mini PC boasts a significant performance boost of 35% in CPU and 38% in GPU compared to its predecessors, ensuring smoother gameplay and multitasking capabilities. With Radeon RX Vega graphics clocked at 2000 MHz, gaming becomes a breeze, handling titles like Apex, PUBG, and GTA 5 with ease. Dual 1G per 2.5G RJ45 ports ensure lightning-fast network speeds, perfect for online gaming and work alike. Equipped with dual-channel 16GB DDR4 RAM and a 512GB NVMe SSD, expandable up to 2TB, this mini PC delivers blazing-fast performance and ample storage for all your gaming needs. With support for 4K triple display outputs via HDMI, DisplayPort, and Type-C ports, immerse yourself in stunning visuals for maximum work efficiency. The AMD Dual LAN Mini Gaming PC is undoubtedly the best gaming mini PC, offering power, speed, and versatility in a compact package. Number 2. Camry AMR5 Mini Gaming PC, your key to victory in the gaming arena. Powered by the AMD Zen 3 Ryzen 7 5700U processor, boasting 8 cores and 16 threads, this mini PC delivers unmatched performance with a base frequency of 2.3 GHz and a turbo frequency up to 4.3 GHz. Its 7nm technology ensures high energy efficiency and strong single and multi-threaded performance. With 3 dynamic modes ECO, Auto, and Perf seamlessly switch between tasks, from movie marathons to intensive gaming sessions. Expandability is limitless with up to 16GB DDR4 RAM and 512GB SSD storage, while its array of interfaces including USB 3.0, HDMI, DisplayPort, and more, offer versatile connectivity. Immerse yourself in the gaming experience with customizable RGB lighting effects, while fast 802.11ax Wi-Fi 6 and Gigabit Ethernet ensure smooth online gameplay. Say goodbye to delays and hello to the best gaming mini PC experience with the Camry AMR5. Number 3. Minisforum Venus Series 773 Mauritanian UGIAS Lite Mini PC, your ultimate solution for the best gaming mini PC experience. Powered by the AMD Ryzen 7 7735HS processor with Zen 3 Plus architecture, this small form-factor desktop tower is a multitasking marvel. Seamlessly handle heavy computing tasks, light gaming, image editing, and more. With its AMD Radeon 680M graphics built on RDNA 2 architecture, enjoy ultra-high frame rates and advanced content creation features. The 773 Mauritanian UGIAS Lite boasts impressive connectivity with 2x HDMI, 4K at 60Hz, and 1x USB 4, 8K at 60Hz, outputs, perfect for multiple monitor setups. Experience lightning-fast performance with DDR5-4832GB RAM and a 512GB PCIe 4.0 SSD, expandable to 2TB, ensuring smooth operation even with large-scale games and multimedia files. Enhanced by a 2.5 gigabits per second LAN port, this mini PC supports various network configurations, making it an ideal choice for gaming enthusiasts and professionals alike. Unlock endless possibilities with the Minis Forum 773 Mauritania Nugias Light Mini PC. Number 4. Beelink SER5 Pro Mini PC, your ultimate solution for high-performance computing needs. Powered by the AMD Ryzen 7 5700U processor with 8 cores and 16 threads, clocking up to 4.3 GHz, and boasting AMD Radeon 8 cores graphics at 1900 MHz, this mini PC delivers exceptional gaming and office performance. With 16GB DDR4 RAM and a 1TB M.2 SSD NVMe 2280, upgradable to 2TB, it ensures swift command processing and ample storage for all your multimedia files. Its triple screen display support, including 4K at 60Hz HDMI, 4K at 144Hz DP, and 4K at 120Hz Type-C ports, provides stunning visuals for enhanced productivity and entertainment. Equipped with Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2, along with a plethora of ports, including USB 3.2 Gen 2, Type-C, and HDMI, this mini PC offers stable connectivity and versatility. Backed by FCC, CE, and ROSH certifications, along with a 1-year warranty and lifetime technical support, the Beelink SER5 Pro Mini PC is the best gaming mini PC, ensuring top-notch performance and reliability for all your computing needs. Number 5. GeForce Knockbox K6 Mini PC, the epitome of premium gaming prowess in a compact form factor. Powered by the AMD Ryzen 7 7840HS processor and featuring an integrated AMD Radeon 780M 12 cores graphics card, this mini PC offers performance akin to a full NVIDIA GTX 1650Ti, making it the best gaming mini PC in its league. With 32GB DDR5 dual-channel RAM expandable to 64GB and a lightning-fast 1TB PCIe 4.0 SSD with dual-slot expansion, multitasking and storage needs are effortlessly met. Its cutting-edge USB 4.0 port supports 8K at 60Hz display, while triple-screen display capabilities through USB-C, HDMI, and DisplayPort ensure immersive gaming experiences. Dual 2.5 gigabits per second LAN ports, Wi-Fi 6E, and Bluetooth 5.2 connectivity options provide versatility for various applications. Backed by GeForce's 1-year limited warranty, this mini PC guarantees a seamless gaming journey with professional after-sales support. Upgrade your gaming setup with the GeForce Knockbox K6 Mini PC today. In conclusion, the world of gaming mini PCs offers a plethora of options, each with its unique strengths and features. Whether you're a casual gamer or a hardcore enthusiast, there's a mini PC out there to suit your needs. We've explored some of the best options available, considering performance, price, and versatility. Now it's up to you to decide which one fits your gaming setup best. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and share for more updates videos. Happy gaming!